Welcome to our channel. Today we how to make a Boost mobile payment. Pay without signing in step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Type Boost Mobile official website in the address bar and go to the site. Look for the Quick Pay or Make a Payment option on the homepage. Click or tap the Quick Pay or Pay without signing in link. On the payment page, select the option that says you do not want to sign in. Enter the Boost Mobile phone number you want to pay for. Double-check the phone number to make sure it is correct. Click or tap Continue or Next to move forward. Choose the payment amount you want to add to the account. If you see preset amounts, select one that matches your plan or needs. If a custom amount is allowed, type the exact amount you want to pay. Review any taxes, fees, or total shown on the screen. Enter the account zip code if the page asks for it to verify the line. Click or tap Continue to go to the payment method section. Choose a payment method such as credit card or debit card. Type the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Enter the card number carefully and avoid spaces if not accepted. Select the card expiration month and year from the drop-down menus. Enter the CVV security code from the back of the card. Fill in the billing address if the form requires it. Confirm the email address or mobile number for the payment receipt if prompted. Check the box to accept the terms if you are asked to agree. Review the full payment details one more time before submitting. Click or tap Submit Payment, Pay Now, or Complete Payment. Wait for the confirmation page to load and do not refresh during processing. Look for a confirmation number and save it by screenshot or note. Check for a receipt message in your email or SMS if you provided contact info. Verify your Boost mobile balance or plan status after a few minutes to ensure it updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.